I'm Kim Sawyers.
And I'm Erika Jupiter.
And we're the co-founders of Clean Course Meals.
Clean Course is a health and wellness company dedicated to providing access to wholesome, nourishing meals while educating the community on the basis of living a healthier lifestyle. Our motto is simple. We shop, we prep, we deliver, we educate.
5 years ago, as I was getting my master's in public health, I took my first trip out of the country to Taiwan. I tell anyone, it was one thing to be American in Taiwan. It was a second to be African American, but it was a third to be extremely overweight. I was about 115 pounds heavier than I am today. I stood out in the most unflattering ways. One of our last days there, we took a trip to the beach, and a group of local guys came up to me because they made a bet to see who could lift me up. I had never been so embarrassed in my life. That hurtful moment was my turning point, and on the 16-hour plane ride home, I decided to make a change. Clean Course started as my personal journey to change my lifestyle and those around me. I found that meal prepping not only saved time, calories, and it started to save my life as well.
So what sets Clean Course apart from the competition? Our customer acquisition. Community inclusion and nutrition education is the standard for our company because we want more than just a sale. We want people to live a healthier lifestyle. By doing this, we not only build relationships and personalize our customer service, but we keep our company relevant and we move our consumers beyond a trend phase. It is proven that when people have the facts and the education, that they're more likely to make better habits and lifestyle choices and become consistent in implementing them.